Some photos lose their location information over time. MediaOrganizer can help restore that missing context. Choose where candidate photos should be searched. You can use the destination archive itself or any other photo collection. Recover Location analyzes nearby photos and identifies potential matches. When a matching location is found, the information can be applied to the selected image. As more photos are processed, missing locations are progressively restored. The archive becomes richer, more complete, and easier to organize. Recover Location helps reconnect photos with the places where memories happened. Missing locations restored. MediaOrganizer. Normalize. Organize. Preserve.